Do you want me to open the hood for you?
Yeah. What's the bus number? This?
This is 163.
163.
Yeah.
163.
Did you ever get my pictures?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, okay.
It's 2005. I thought it was 06, but it's a model 06. Dashboard. Nice. All seats good. Inside. 71 passenger. The steps look good. Body good. No rusty. Tires good. No rusty under there. $161. I see buses, as you can see. Stop sign LED. 365 engine. No leak. Running smooth. Alternator, everything. Yep, Bob is good.
Okay.
We gotta go next one.
Yep.
This guy's all right.
161. Yeah.
Okay, 161.
Go ahead and let you use the keys for it. Do whatever you would like. I'll open the hood.
Steps there. Brother sister buses. That's 05. Good compartmental there. Radios. 115,000 miles on it. Good seats are good. Body's good. And then there is good. No spring broke. Tire is good. No. Stick there. License plate in the back. LEDs. 365.